Hi, my name is Ting-Yuan Chien. You can also call me Tim. I'm a research assistant of underwater acoustics lab in engineering science and ocean engineering at National Taiwan University. Today, I'm presenting preliminary study of detection and tracking techniques for the Taiwanese White Dolphins, utilizing autonomous UAV. We built up a simulation platform which helps evaluate the detection model and the tracking system prior we launch the drone all over the ocean where the consequence of mistakes can be very expensive. Some results will be shown later as well. Taiwanese white dolphin, also known as the Taiwanese Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, which is listed as critically endangered by International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources in 2008. The Taiwanese white dolphins live in the shallow waters of the East Taiwan Strait, where there has favorable conditions for one of the new renewable energy, offshore wind power. There are some overlaps between the white dolphins habitats and the wind farm. However, while during the wind farm construction process, the howling noises can be very harmful to the marine mammals because they utilize the whistles and clicking sounds to communicate with each other and to localize themselves in the big ocean. How the construction impacts the white dolphins is still a bit of a mystery unless we find a way to monitor them. The population of these white dolphins is decreasing year by year. A study shows that when the number of these white dolphins declines, it breaks the balance of the ecological chain and the fishery economy around Taiwan as well. The question is, will we ever get it back? There are several ways to help monitor the white dolphins population, such as underwater passive acoustic monitoring, onboard human eyes detection and photo shooting, and computer vision monitoring from the drone. Due to the environmental regulations, we can't attach the transmitters to the white dolphin's skin. With drone and computer vision, we can reduce the observation cost and avoid visual fatigue during the onboard visual observation. Therefore, using autonomous drones for tracking and shooting image of the white dolphins is one of the best ways to help monitor the species. Here is our objective. Develop a simulation for our drone to detect and track the white dolphin once the drone being deployed to the position assigned by the underwater acoustics monitor network. The shoreside ground station map proxy will help control our simulated drone called Citadel. The Citadel drone is run by autopilot in the simulated 3D physical environment called Gazebo. The image from the camera of the Citadel drone in Gazebo will transmit the signal to ROS and detect where there's any Taiwanese white dolphins in the footage frame by OpenCV and the detection model trained by IEEE version 4. The process results will also share to MooseIVP middleware, where we define several robotics behaviors for the drones, such as waypoint assigning, operation regions, obstacle avoidance, etc. For the detection, we take advantage of the footage shot by Taiwan Public Television Service Foundation of the dolphins, white dolphins, to test the computer vision detection model. For tracking, we set up a virtual environment with the 3D dolphin running in several paths to evaluate the drone tracking techniques in Gazebo simulation. So here's the results. For the detection of the 1609 frames that white dolphins actually appear, it correctly detects frame numbers is 804 frames with the detection confidence scores of 0.5 and above. The true positivity rate is over 49.96%. Of the 32,771 frames where the white dolphins did not appear, 31,668 frames were correctly detected as not appearing. The true negative rate is over 96.63%. For the tracking, the standard deviation of the distance between drone and the dolphins are around 4 meters for rectangle patterns and around 1.5 meters for circular patterns. Standard deviation of the distance between estimated dolphin position and the dolphins are around 3.3 meters for rectangle patterns and 2.3 meters for circular patterns. So, We built up the computer vision detection and model and tracking system. We have a visual environment with 3D dolphin and drones for testing with different wind speed and visibility. We have evaluation tools and autonomous position logging tools for dolphin and drone. It is hoped that people can take advantage of this system, update the computer vision detection model, run different varieties of simulations, and figure out a better algorithm running through those possibility to help monitor and conserve the white dolphins. I'm grateful for people who helps a bunch for my studies, including Citation Labs fellow at National Taiwan University who shared us the Taiwanese White Dolphins photography database, and Professor Chen, who is my instructor and helps a lot for my papers as well. And that's all for today. Shoot a message to me if you got any questions. Thanks for your listening.